Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to change authorized user on Verizon. So to do this, first you need to of course log in to the Verizon Enterprise Center, and then from the top menu, okay, I want you to select manage users, and then go ahead and click on all users, okay, and here you want to click on view all. So then you can just search for the user you'd like to update, or you can click on whichever user it is available right there. Or if there's a lot of users, you can go ahead and search. So the user's current role will be displayed in the third column title role. You can click on the plus next to the user's ID and select change role. Okay. And then you can select a new role for them and then click on OK to save your changes. If you're not sure about which role to choose, you can of course go ahead and go to Verizon's page and learn what each role can access, and the user will have updated access as soon as you've submitted the change. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.